What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a pretty exciting unboxing here because we got a pretty decent sized new shipment in, and I happened to pick up a lot from the latest shipment. So we're going to take a look. We got 8 brand new 1/64 scale diecast for the 2023 season, and we're just going to go over them and we're going to check them out. So first up, we'll just go with the one popping out here. First one, Austin Dillon's number 3 Bass Pro Shops. Chevy for RCR. Pretty good looking. I go ahead and move this off to the side. It'll be a surprise from here on out. So there's number 1. Number 2, we've got Ricky Stenhouse Jr. in his Daytona 500 race-winning Cottonelle 47 car. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Confetti all around. Cool one to get. Next up, we've got Kyle Busch in the Lucas Oil number 8 Auto Club winner. First RCR win for the guy. Pretty cool. Awesome scheme to get a win in, so that's cool to have. Double time that it's a race winner. So we'll move right along. Next, Martin Truex Jr. in his number 19 Bass Pro Shops Clash win. So I ended up getting this because it had a decent amount of short track damage on it for winning. See the donut there on the number 19. There's a little bit more down that side. So I thought it'd be a nice one to pick up, just for the winter damage we got there. Next, 4 more to go. And this one is my favorite one from the unboxing. We got Sam Mayer finally getting a diecast here in the Xfinity Series. Huck's Market number 1, Junior Motorsports. Pretty sick ride here. Cool ad, cool ad. Next, we've got his boss man, Dale Earnhardt Jr. and his Hellman's number 88 for Junior Motorsports in the Xfinity Series. Just got done racing this one at Bristol. So pretty cool and timely to get this one. Was pulling for him in that race. Unfortunately, didn't work out. 2 more to go. Next to last is Ryan Preece in his number 41 for Stewart-Haas Racing. Haas Tooling. Ford Mustang. Cool to get Ryan Preece back in the Cup Series. And last one for this unboxing, Kyle Busch again. Net Speed number 8 for RCR. Chevy. Awesome, awesome car here. Haven't seen it on the track too often this season, but it's pretty sweet. But what I want to do now, just to end the video, is I'm going to pop out the race winners and show off a little bit of the detail and why they were cool to me to buy. So we're going to start off with the MTJ coming right up right now. So here we are. First one up is the Truex Clash win. And of course you're going to get some short track damage, beating and banging, most of it on the right side of the car. So we flip it over, and of course we see the donut there on the 19. The Racers has another donut back in the back, right there on the back of the car. So again, pretty cool. Just to know that it's got a little bit of added damage to it. But next up is going to be the Auto Club winner for Kyle Busch right about now. And here we go, Auto Club winner, the last Auto Club race for probably ever, won by Kyle Busch. Now this scheme is gorgeous no matter what. So again, added bonus that it won the race. But as far as Auto Club Speedway race winners, not too much going on. But like I said, that does not matter to me, because this scheme is just one of the best all season long. So just wanted to get it out and show it off real quick. And we're going to end with Ricky Stenhouse Jr. in his Daytona 500 win. And we're going to pop that one out right about now. So here we go with the Daytona 500 champ for this year, Cottonelle 47. We got the confetti all over the top there. And of course, the JTG Doherty car there, having all those sponsors there on the back. But that's a pretty cool one to get. 3 race winners here today in this one. Let's bring everything else back in. 2 Kyle Busch cars. 2 Bass Pro Shops cars, 2 JRM cars, and I'm glad to get them. Leave a comment on which one you like the best. Like this video, subscribe for more, and thanks for checking this one out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you guys.